Okay, ready? Now listen.
Yes, sir.
We have numbers here that we can see. You can see that the bases are already given to me as the same. There's no need for me to change them. So now I'm gonna keep the first one because I cannot do anything to that one. It's a standalone number. And then this one I'm gonna break it down, right? So this one I break it
Yes,
down
sir.
is gonna be 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. And this one again, when I break it down, is gonna be 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of negative 1. And you can see the reason why I'm breaking it down, it is so that I can be able to take out
Common factor.
a common factor. You break it down, you break both the one at the top and the one at the bottom so that you can be able to get that common factor. Am I making sense?
Yes,
All right.
sir.
So the common factor here is what? At the top?
5/8.
5 to the power of x, right? And then
Yes, sir.
when I take out the common factor here, I'll only be left with 1 plus.
Where does the 1 come from?
Okay, remember when I'm taking out a common factor, it's more like I'm dividing by that number that I'm taking it out as a common factor, right?
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So it's more
Yes.
like I'm doing this. If I'm taking 5x as a common factor, right? And I'm taking it out
Yes,
of
sir.
this thing.
Yes, sir.
Ne? It's more like I'm dividing by that 5x. The one that I took out as a common factor is more like I'm dividing on both sides by 5x. So if 5x divided by 5x will be what? Will be 1. And then 5x here, cancelling the 5x here, you will be left with what? 5 squared. All divided by what? All divided by 5x all to the power of negative 1. So that common factor that you took out will eventually cancel. So definitely this guy here is gonna cancel with this 5x. And now look at what I'm left with. I'm left with this. I'm gonna have now 1 plus 5 squared. 5 squared is what? It's 25, right?
Yes, sir.
So this one is gonna be 25 plus 1, which is going to be what? 26.
26.
So this one is going to be 26 all to the power of 5 to the power of negative 1. Right? Do you see that, ne? So since this is
Yes,
negative, I can't leave it like this as a negative. I need to take this negative and bring it at the top so that it have a positive exponent. So this one will be the same as 26 times 5 to the power of 1. So when I multiply 26 times 5, what do I get?
130.
130. So this one is the same as 130. So that's the answer there.